This bird is legit chasing us around the Morikami Japanese gardens. I'm keeping a camera on him because he is not joking. I think he thinks that we're his mother.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's so silly. Don't you peck me, little bird. Are you going to come with us?
Will you just leave it alone?
I'm not doing anything.
Well, you keep talking to it.
I am not making this bird follow me right now. I'm minding my own business. I think it knows it's on camera. Can we pass, please?
What the fuck? Would you come this way?
He's following us. Okay, we're leaving. We're not in your way, little bird. That only thing is that little beak is like razor sharp.
Yeah, no shit. That's why.
No cursing, Pete. This could end up on America's Funniest Home Videos. Okay, so this is the first station at the Morikami Japanese Gardens, and he's going to tell us a little bit about it. He's going to... I think we got a friend. This is Rojan. Oh, not to be... We're not forgetting you, dude. Oh, he's like, stop. Pay attention. So this is the wisdom ring. A wisdom ring is a 500-year-old stone lantern that became a symbol of Mizayu, which is Delray Beach's sister city in Japan. It's a deity of wisdom in the Buddhist religion. And it was donated in 1997. I would like a wisdom ring. He's waiting for us. Second thing is this bridge. It's the James and Hazel Gates Memorial Bridge. And it is a structure that symbolizes the link between Japan and Florida that Morikami provides. And there's our buddy going across the bridge with us. He's leading the way. I don't know what we should name you, but...
Annoying?
No! As long as he doesn't peck me, I'm totally cool if he wants to take us on a journey. Oh, he's showing off a little. He's showing off. Showing off. Okay. Here we are at the Shinden Garden. Shinden Garden is a Japanese garden that features lakes and islands. Such gardens were usually viewed by a boat. Okay, we're right here, buddy. Have no fear. Oh, and I guess you can look out over here, too. The Shinden Garden. Hi, Pete. There's your buddy. He's following you. I can't help but record this because it's so funny. It's like your best friends. Okay, buddy. All right. So this is still the Shinden Garden. Ooh, he's looking a little mad at you right now. Don't puff up, mister. He's all puffed up. I think he's trying to separate us. But I have to go through, bird. Jiminy Cricket. Okay. Kind of makes me a little nervous sometimes. Because he's like a little doggy. Okay. So we're heading now towards the bamboo grove. Which will kind of... I think we walk through bamboo. Whoa. Did he get a little close to you? Oh, look at that cool like sculpture over there on that island. This bird is too much. Okay. And then he shows off like he's acting like he's catching like a fish. So we go over this, it's called the Koidai Mon, which is ancient gate. Oh, there he goes, man. There he goes. Oh, bye, buddy. That was fun. So we're at the Cordon Moon. Cordon Moon?
Yeah, he goes right back.
Oh, he went right back to the entrance. So he must do that for everybody. Or maybe not everybody. You think people maybe feed him and that's why he does it?
Maybe.
So, I'm going to stop filming, and if I see something really cool, I'll come back. Here it says, thank you for not carving on the bamboo. Defacing garden plants or property is strictly prohibited. Look at that. Mark and Shar. How dare you, Mark and Shar. Oh, they defaced all of this then. Pete, we should carve our initials in. Just kidding.
No.
Okay. This is the ancient gate that was constructed out of Japanese cypress by a Tokyo craftsman, centuries-old carpentry techniques and design. It takes its inspiration from the entrances to large mansions of high-ranking samurai during the Edo period, 1600 to 1868. Oh, there's kind of cool birds. And this is the bamboo garden. Bamboo grove, excuse me. And a little lookout. That's another building we're going to go see. I'll pause it for now. Just a little view of how peaceful it is here. We're like very near a city. It feels so peaceful. Quiet. Look at this. I don't know what this is called, but it's cool. Look, Pete spotted this turtle. Can you see him? He's moving towards us at a rapid pace. Hopefully he doesn't bite us. He's big. I don't know if you can see him. That's so cool. Oh. He went underneath some brush. This is cool. Japanese gardens. Pete was so excited when I told him I was going to have a surprise. And the surprise was we're going to the Japanese gardens. Right, Pete?
Yeah, before with the butterfly.
Oh, I wanted to go to the butterfly world, but it was like a half hour away. And I thought, oh, let's go to Morikami instead. There's a sculpture over there. Look at this thing. It's like a little, sort of, called the, it's called a deer chaser. Shishi Odishi. Consists of a swinging bamboo arm that collects water and once filled strikes a rock basin below. The distinct sound of the bamboo striking stone meant to startle animals that have wandered in the garden. So this is all we need for my garden at home. I need to set one of these up. Oh, look at all the pennies in there. We should put a penny in there. But good luck. That's so cool. Do you have another penny?
No, just one here.
You should have 2 pennies.
I don't have 2 pennies.
Heat doesn't have 2 pennies. Perfect. Bullseye! Okay, I filmed it once, so that's cool. We're now entering the early rock garden. Landscape design which expresses nature in more abstract manner by eliminating water, but suggesting the presence. They were inspired by newly imported sect of Zen Buddhism and were in imitation not of nature directly, but of early Chinese landscape ink paintings. Interesting. So the little gravel is supposed to imitate water. I think that kid thinks I'm doing my comedy act. Now we're getting to the late rock garden, which is the Muromachi period in 15th century. It's a completely abstract garden, enclosed by walls and composed primarily of rock arrangements. A Zen Buddhist principle. Oh, this is the type of stuff I love. Let's take a look. Yep. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. They rake it into fine lines. I think it's supposed to imitate the rippling of water, but it's pretty cool. Nature, nature.
Yeah,
We're gonna go.
A sewer cap.
That's not a sewer cap, Peter. This is now called the flat garden. Which is similar. Very serene. They incorporate little plants in this one though. This is nice. This is how our backyard's gonna be this summer. We're gonna make it all Japanese garden inspired. And we're gonna put a babbling brook. And, you know, do that whole thing right there. Sorry, I'm probably turning around so fast. I'm being dizzy. I love this little bridge. And the sound of the water. And all the little pergolas and stuff. Go up this way. This is the memorial garden. Pretty, right? Oh, wow. So cool. This is the memorial marker for Morikami. And this one is for Joe Saki and Mitsusaburo Oki, the founders of the Yamamoto colony. So, I think we should have done the video tour, but I'm trying. This is Hotoi, the resident god of happiness. He's intentionally placed to appear as an unexpected surprise for walking from the south gate before they reach the Yamato-kan Bridge, which is where that is. Now we're going to go over to the Yamato Island. Look at these bonsai. How cool is that? It's all a bonsai exhibit, which is super dope. Look at these. All different types. That looks like 1,000,000 years old. 1957? That tree's from 1957. 1980. Gosh, these things are ancient. In training since 1981. So this is not a hobby you can just like jump on and... This tree's from 1970. 1975? Are you kidding me? This is a young one at 1982. I'm gonna try to find the oldest. This is a 1975 vintage. This is young, 1990. I'll find the oldest and then I'll come back. I found the oldest dude. He was born in 1930. He's been a bonsai since 1976. What? He's a sea grape. And then there's more waterfalls. So pretty. It's so zen here. I'm loving it. Oops. This is so cool. They teach you what types of bonsai there are. Informal, formal, cascade, semi-cascade, slanting. What is a bonsai? It's a tree that's been pruned and trained. Not in the ground, it's in a container. So they train them with wires. And then they cut the roots. And then they cut they wire it. And they prune it carefully. And a juniper is a good one to work with. Maybe I'll get a juniper. Look at how pretty the blooms are on that. So I found the oldest one, and the oldest one here is actually circa 1600. So I'll show you. This little gem. Check the date, please. Oh, 1955. Hold on, you're not the oldest. It's this guy right here. And he is 1600. Yep. And that's right here in Delray, Florida. Well, we're now inside the exhibit through the eyes of a child. And so this gives you an idea of traditional Japanese living. We're going to take this little tour. Never mind that Coke machine. Yuck. Okay. Look at these beautiful kimonos. Both boys and girls wear kimonos. We're just touring this little site, and this is like what their houses are like. Very simple. Soji screens. No shoes. Very clean. Cool, huh? There's a huge egret over there on a rock. Or maybe it's a pelican. I don't know what it is. But I just want to show a little panoramic before I sign off for the video. So pretty. So much wildlife. Isn't that neat? Japanese. Morikami, everybody should come and visit it. It's fabulous. We're gonna go over there to the there's an exhibit of Japanese furniture. Ciao for now.